Every manager knows that sinking feeling when the calendar flips to review season. You are staring at you with those mountain of paperwork. You have spreadsheets that do not talk to each other. You have goals written on sticky notes. It is a mess. This is exactly why integrated platforms are becoming the standard for growing companies. We are looking at a system that tries to solve that specific headache by tying payroll and performance into one single knot. This cloud-based tool is built for the mid-size crowd, those businesses that are too big for a simple spreadsheet but not quite ready for a massive enterprise overhaul. The real magic happens when you stop treating performance like a separate chore. Instead, it becomes part of the daily workflow. Managers can build out custom review forms that actually reflect the work being done. You are not stuck with a one-size-fits-all approach. You can run those big annual evaluations. You can do quick quarterly sprints. You can even set up simple check-ins. It is all about flexibility. Think about how goal tracking usually works. It is often just a conversation that gets forgotten by Tuesday. Here, those individual targets are physically linked to the company goals. Employees can see the direct line between their morning coffee and the company's success. It gives the work a sense of purpose. Then you have the peer review element. This is huge for culture. It is the 360-degree feedback model. You get insights from managers, peers, and even direct reports. It prevents one single person from having too much power over someone else's career path. It creates a much fairer view of who is actually performing. HR teams get these deep reporting tools too. They can track who is actually finishing their reviews. They can spot trends in performance scores across different departments. This data is gold when it comes time to talk about raises or promotions. It removes the guesswork from leadership decisions. However, it is not a perfect ride. The interface can feel like a cockpit with too many buttons. It is busy. It is dense. It can be overwhelming for a new hire or a busy manager who just wants to click and go. You are going to need some dedicated training time to get everyone up to speed. There is also the issue of the price tag. It is not listed clearly on a website. You have to deal with the sales process to find out what it will cost your specific team. That lack of transparency can be frustrating for small business owners on a tight budget. But if you already handle your payroll through this platform, the convenience is hard to beat. You are basically turning a fragmented process into a streamlined machine. It keeps your data clean. It keeps your history in one spot. It turns those dreaded review cycles into a structured part of your business growth. It is about making sure your people feel seen and your data stays organized. You stop chasing documents and start building a better team. It puts everything in one bucket. It simplifies the chaos. It makes the transition from paying people to growing people feel natural. This is for the teams that want structure. It is for the leaders who want to see the big picture without digging through a dozen different apps every single morning. It is a solid choice for the modern office.